Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Fortnite loading screen freeze and stuck. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with Fortnite here and it's freezing or stuck on a game or loading process, well in this case there are going to be a few things you could do here. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that everything is up to date. So when it comes to your Windows or with your GPU, you have to make sure that you have the latest updates for it. So first is Windows. So you want to go ahead and basically go to your search bar here, just type in update, and you want to go and click on check for updates. Now here, just click on check for updates, and if there are updates available for your PC, make sure to install that. Now, in this case, once the update is complete, go ahead and start your PC and see if that solves the issue. Next thing that you want to do here is you want to also check the updates for your GPU. Now, depending on what type of GPU you have, maybe NVIDIA, AMD, or even Intel, you need to access the appropriate apps for it. So in my case, I'm actually using NVIDIA. Let's go and open up NVIDIA here. And what we typically need to do here, so this is something similar with any apps that you have there. Typically speaking, you just need to go to your drivers at the left side here, or for AMD, if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be at the top right here. Just choose drivers and just click on the install or update button that you see here. So wait for the update to complete. So it might take like a few minutes, like 30 minutes or an hour. So just wait for that, restart your PC, and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you could do here is you want to maybe check the files that you currently have for Fortnite. So what you need to do is you want to go ahead and go to your library here, and you want to go ahead and look for Fortnite, click on the three-dot option, and you want to go ahead and click on manage. Now in here, you want to go ahead and basically make sure that you verify the files. So you want to click on verify. Now this might take a while, so like 30 minutes or an hour depending on your internet speed. So what it does, it just basically compares the files that you currently have here with the server files and see if the files you have is not corrupted. But yeah, so in this case, go ahead and do that, wait for it, and in this case, see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you might want to close Epic Games here and Fortnite. So sometimes restarting the game itself can solve a lot of issues. So I would recommend you to close Epic Games here, but not just close it by clicking on the X button. What you need to do here is you want to press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard, or you want to go and search for Task Manager. And in here, what we need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit here, look for Epic Games or something similar to Fortnite. Go ahead and click or right click on it, and from here just choose End Task. Now do this for every instances of Epic Games and Fortnite in here, and once you've done that, go ahead and restart again and see if that solves the issue. And finally, if none of those actually work, the last and final thing that you might want to do here is you might want to reduce the apps that you're currently running right now. Like for example, if you're running multiple browsers, multiple apps out there, maybe you're streaming, or you have a lot of apps running in the background, well in this case, that could actually affect the performance of your PC, which in turn will affect the performance of Fortnite. So again, you want to go open up your task manager, Control Shift Escape, and you want to go ahead and look for any apps that you're not using. So for example, if you're not using your browser, make sure to right click on it and end that task. Now also go ahead and look for any apps that you think that you're not using. So in this case, maybe close OBS if you're not using that. Basically just close or reduce the number of apps you're currently using. Now, this is a quick tip here that you could try doing. Now, to prevent this from happening sometime in the future, you could go to your startup icon here. And what you need to do is you want to basically filter them out via the status option here. And you want to go ahead and disable every app that you don't need. So for example, for right client services, you can go and just right click on it and disable this. So this actually prevents you, or in this case helps you to minimize the apps that will automatically boot up when you open up your PC, which in turn will reserve some process or some memory or performance for Fortnite when you actually open it up. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.